Method for replacement of faulty hinges on ice-take freezer models. First step is to simply remove the top 4 screws in the hinges. Next, remove the bottom 4 screws. These do not have to be fully removed, as the lid, the hinge is able to slip up over the top of them. The new hinges are simply then slid back over the screws. The top screws refitted. The screws have not been tightened at this stage, as the lid has to be squared up before tightening. Once the lid is in the correct position, apply a small amount of pressure to the centre just to maintain the seal and to keep it in the position. And bring the bottom screws up to just about tight. Then, checking that the lid is still in the same position, fully tighten all the screws. That is the job done.